Hi everybody and welcome. Here is a short video that shows you how you can install Oracle Database 18c on Windows with a different character set. This will have to be done via the command line, so first let's open a command prompt. Now to install XE with a different character set, you will have to call the setup.exe file from the command line and pass on the character set parameter. So first go into the directory where you have unzipped the Oracle Database install binaries. Once you have done so, call setup.exe /v jar underscore set equals and the character set that you like, and don't forget the double quote at the end of the string. Once you hit enter, this will launch just the regular installer as you had before. It will ask you whether you want to execute or not and then bring up the install dialog. Just proceed as before, basically just go through the install process, specifying the variables that you want, and then just hit install. Now database is being installed. If you have Windows Defender Firewall enabled, it will ask you whether you want to allow access to Java that comes with Oracle Database XE. Hit allow access and the installation will continue. We have speeded up the execution of the database install here so that you don't have to wait. Once the installation is finished, here's an important note on this. You can actually not invoke SQL Plus from the command line that you have executed the setup.exe file. Even if you were to start a new command line by typing cmd and getting a new session, even that won't work. So you will have to actually close the command prompt and open a new one for it to work. Once you have opened a new command prompt, you can just do SQL Plus /sysdba like before. Now let's quickly check what character set we have actually installed. In this case we went for Western European ISO 1. Just select from NLS database parameters where the parameter is NLS underscore character set. And here we go. You see that the database has been set up with the character set we have specified in the command prompt. Thanks a lot for watching and have fun with Oracle Database XE for Windows.